Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make a smoothie Parfait. So this is all the ingredients. I have this is cinnamon granola. It is really good. And I have 3 yogurts, strawberry flavor. I have raspberry and a strawberry. This is all for garnish. And 1 banana and 4 pounds of berries. But we only need 2 cups. Alright, so I have this. I'm gonna put like 1/2, maybe 1/2 of fruit tropical punch. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna need 2 cups of berries. Only 3 cups. Alright. So let's put the yogurt in first before the juice. Since I started this every day, have shake in the morning, I don't have any more problem with my tummy. Like I always have, every time I eat like bread or something, I have a problem with my tummy. I have heartburn right away. So that's why I minimize the carbs. So since I started this yogurt, the yogurt also it's help because they have probiotic on it. I don't have any more problem with my tummy. I skip 1 meal, and then I only eat a small meal on dinner, like only appetizer. I think I'm just gonna need 3/4 cup. We'll see where it goes. This is the first time I make this. So this is good enough. You see, perfect. It looks like a yogurt inside. So what I do, I put a little on the bottom. And then I start putting the smoothie inside. So now we're gonna put banana there. It got broke. Then another layer of Parfait, granola. This is a heavy breakfast. Then another layer. I don't think I'll be able to finish one of this. I will not be sharing this. Because I got a big glass. Okay. Next, we need to cut the strawberry. And then another sprinkle there. Alright everyone, here is my smoothie Parfait. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video. Okie dokie, see ya. And thank you so much for all those new subscribers. And hello to all my brothers and sisters and family and friends who really supported me, my partner. I hope you do not overdo yourself. Get some rest. Love you all. Okie dokie. See ya. God bless.